Here is our first look at a phenom from Korea, Yuna Kim, only 14, at her first ISU Junior Grand Prix final. Right now, Akiko Kitamura of Japan leads. This young teenager is raising some eyebrows.
She's only 14 years of age, so this is her first time out on the Junior Grand Prix circuit and at the final. Yuna skating to Snowstorm here, and she will open with her triple Lutz combination. Good speed. Oh, what a nice jump. Wow, and you could see the deep knee bend on the landing of the first jump so she could hold on to it. Preparing now for her triple loop. Very well done. She is so graceful and delicate.
A couple of the feature articles in the Korean papers, the headline in both of them said, "An angel on ice. She floats."
And she's not following in anybody's footsteps from her home country. She's blazing a path on her own. Look at the speed she has in this footwork, and she uses her upper body as well as her feet to express the music. And that, of course, will score more points from the judges in the grade of execution. A little bit of a slip there on that spin.
Yuna Kim. And the fans from Korea are excited. I think Yuna Kim has to be excited. Her first ever skate at ISU Junior Grand Prix final. She's going to be the leader here.
Oh, she is just terrific. And tons of potential as you watch her skate. There's her triple Lutz, and you could see the deep knee bend on the landing. That's why she could hang on to the landing where the other skaters would have fallen off that jump. Here's her triple loop, and that was picture perfect on the landing. Now, Yuna has spent some time